Hello, welcome back to the Mr. AI channel, creative enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. We're diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered creativity with the revolutionary Leonardo.ai site model, DreamShaper v6. It's time to witness the magic of imagination come to life. I'm excited to share with you the latest news about the DreamShaper model. Developed by Lycon, this model is incredibly versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications, both for individuals and various environments. With its new update, DreamShaper 6 offers exceptional performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-notch model. So why wait? Upgrade to DreamShaper 6 today and experience the power of cutting-edge technology firsthand. Lately, there has been a lot of buzz surrounding Leonardo.ai. It's this amazing tool that uses AI to create awesome game assets like helmets, environments, buildings, and concept art. You can quickly come up with ideas and even train your own AI models to make production-ready assets. Well, when we enter the Leonardo.ai site, on the homepage I see examples of publicly generated images. So, all the models can be found under the fine-tuned models category. By the way, did you know that you can also share your own model on Leonardo.ai for everyone to use? It's pretty cool. Now, if you head over to the platform models section, you'll find some awesome featured models. Each of them has its unique style and flair. It's definitely worth checking out. But, have you seen the community models section? It's full of AI models created by users just like you using Leonardo.ai, and they're available for everyone to use. Anyway, let's get back to the platform models section, shall we? Today, we're going to talk about DreamShaper v6. Great news, we've upgraded to DreamShaper v6. Now you can check out the impressive examples it generates. The progress in details is especially noteworthy. The lighting has improved significantly and there have been major enhancements to faces and fingers. Although there are still some occasional issues with the fingers, overall it's a huge improvement. I will now provide some examples of my own. To expedite the process, I will select the Remix button. As a first step, I will click Generate without making any alterations. The result is not bad, it's good, and the details are of good quality. Now I will make some changes in the prompt. For example, I will add Disney style to the end of the text, and I turn on negative prompt. And for the next time, I will turn off prompt magic. Oh, it seems that adding Disney style with these descriptions was not very good. But this one has improved. I will test a few more times and post the results at the end of the video. To explore more examples and test them together, I'm opening a new tab in my browser. My aim is to experiment with generated images in different styles and view additional images. This image I chose is in anime style. I want to test this prompt myself and see the result together, so I click on Remix. I click Generate without any changes. The results are looking pretty decent, but it's up to you to make the final decision. To make things easier, I'll add the pictures at the end for you to check out and give me your feedback on which one you think is the best. This will be my third and final attempt, so I hope it turns out amazing. Could you do me a favor and leave your comment once you see it? It would be really helpful to get your thoughts on it. Before we wrap up, I want to showcase some additional images generated by DreamShaper v6. Take a look at these stunning visuals and let me know in the comments which one you think is the best. Your feedback means a lot to us as our channel is newly born. As we continue to explore the endless possibilities of AI-generated art, we invite you to join our creative journey. Support us by subscribing to our channel, hitting that like button, and leaving a comment. Your engagement and encouragement will help us grow and bring you more exciting content in the future. Thank you for joining us today and being a part of this incredible experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Until next time, keep dreaming and shaping your world with the power of creativity.